Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. The settings in this section affect the function of the motorcycle's direction indicators. Verify that these functions are legal in your territory before using them. The body controller's coding functions section contains options to set the motorcycle's direction indicators to act as auxiliary running lights. In this context, the indicators are called cruising lights. Click Body Controller. Click Service Functions. Click Coding Functions. Click Cruising Lights. If the motorcycle has factory-fitted auxiliary fob lights or spotlights, and you also want these lights to act as cruising lights, click Enabled. To set the motorcycle's front direction indicators to act as cruising lights, click Enabled. To set the motorcycle's rear direction indicators to act as cruising lights, click Enabled. To set the light intensity of the cruising lights under daytime conditions, enter the desired value in this field out of a possible maximum of 100. To set the light intensity of the cruising lights under nighttime conditions, enter the desired value in this field out of a possible maximum of 100. To program your settings into the body controller, click Continue.